Good morning, friends. Let us see one start stories. Okay, let's go. The Monkey and the Dolphin. Once a group of sailors set out to sea in their sailing ship. One of them brought his pet monkey along for the long journey. When they were far out at sea. A terrible storm overturned their ship. Everyone fell into the sea, and the monkey was sure that he would drown. Suddenly, a dolphin appeared and picked him up. They soon reached the island, and the monkey came down from the dolphin's back. The dolphin asked the monkey, "Do you know this place?" The monkey replied, "Yes, I do. In fact, the king of the island is my best friend. Do you know that I am actually a prince?" The dolphin knew that the island was isolated. She said, "So you are a prince now. You can be a king." The monkey asked, "How can I be a king?" The dolphin went away, saying, "As you are the only creature on this island, you will naturally be a king." Moral: pride brings pain. Thank you, friends.